Hello students, in the last video we have seen the 12 marks extract of the lesson number 1.1 and Astrologer's Day. Now we are going to do the practice of scene extract. Students, practice is very important for the board exam because you should know what type of questions will be in the board exam. What type of questions can be in the factual, complex, inference and personal response. So, we are doing the practice of scene extract. Today, in this video, we are going to see the next extract of the lesson number 1.1 and Astrologer's Day. See the paragraph on the page number 6. Paragraph number 3. When shall I get at him? He asked, clenching his fist. Last line. See the last line. Yawning and stretched himself on the poil. This is our scene extract. See the activities. Activity first, A1. Make a list. List the information given by the astrologer to stranger. Students, first read the extract carefully so that you can write the answers easily. If you read the extract carefully, you will get the answers. Okay? Activity first, make a list. List the information given by the astrologer to stranger. म्हणजे ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरनी त्या स्ट्रेंजरला कोणती इन्फॉर्मेशन दिली याचे 4 पॉईंट्स आपल्याला लिहायचे आहेत. ॲक्टिव्हिटी सेकंड, रिराईट द सेंटेन्सेस फिलिंग द ब्लँक प्लेसेस. इट हॅज 2 marks. First activity also 2 marks. Second activity 2 marks. Sentence first, the astrologer reached dash at home. Second, the amount the stranger gave to the astrologer was. Number 3, astrologer's wife planned to buy dash in the next day. Number 4, astrologer was relieved from his past deed because the person whom he tried to kill was. It is a very easy activity. Activity number 3, give reason. The astrologer advised the stranger not to travel southward because southward again. Give its reason. Astrologerनी स्ट्रेंजरला ॲडवाईज केला. कोणता ॲडवाईज? नॉट टू ट्रॅव्हल साऊथवर्ड अगेन. तर तुम्ही साऊथवर्डकडे पुन्हा ट्रॅव्हल करू नका, प्रवास करू नका. याचे कारण काय? ॲक्टिव्हिटी नंबर 4, पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्स. Make a list of qualities that help anyone to tackle the situations faced by the astrologer. म्हणजे ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरनी जसं त्या सिच्युएशनला फेस केलं तर त्यासाठी कोणत्या क्वालिटीची गरज आहे, कोणत्या क्वालिटीज आपल्याकडे असतील तर त्याची मदत होईल. ॲक्टिव्हिटी फिफ्थ, लँग्वेज स्टडी. डू एज डायरेक्टेड. व्हेन शॅल आय गेट ॲट हिम? ही आस्क्ड, क्लेंचिंग हिज फिस्ट. मेक indirect speech. Second sentence, his wife was waiting for him at the door and demanded an explanation. Make simple sentence. Activity number 6, vocabulary. Write synonyms for the following: net, holy, empty and happy. Each activity is for 2 marks. See the answers of the given activity. Activity first, make a list. List the information given by the astrologer to stranger. See the page number 6. Answer of the first activity. Page number 6, paragraph number 4. He died 4 months ago in a far off town. Means you can write here, his culprit died 4 months ago in a far off town. Second, the stranger's name was Guru Nayak. Number 3, his village was 2 days journey north the town. Number 4, he would live 100 years if he left the place. If you read the extract carefully, you will get the answers. तुम्ही जर हा पॅसेज नीट वाचलात तर तुम्हाला पेज नंबर 6 वर एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट नंबर पॅरेग्राफ नंबर 4 अँड पॅरेग्राफ नंबर 5 या ठिकाणी त्याचे आन्सर्स तुम्हाला मिळून जातील. नेक्स्ट, सेकंड ॲक्टिव्हिटी, रिराईट द सेंटेन्सेस फिलिंग द ब्लँक प्लेसेस. Each has 2 marks. It is a very easy activity. The astrologer reached dash at home. See the answer. The astrologer reached nearly midnight at home. Page number 6, last third paragraph, first line. It was nearly midnight when the astrologer reached home. Second sentence. The amount the stranger gave to the astrologer was. See the answer. 12.5 annas. Sentence number 3. Astrologer's wife planned to buy some jaggery and coconut in the next day. Last second paragraph. You will get the answer. I can buy some jaggery and coconut tomorrow. Here is the answer. Next, sentence number 4. Astrologer was relieved from his past deed because the person whom he tried to kill was alive. Page number 7. First paragraph, last line. He is alive. The answer of the fourth sentence is alive. Activity number 3. Give reason. The astrologer advised the stranger not to travel southward again. Give its reason. ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर त्या स्ट्रेंजरला, त्या अनोळखी व्यक्तीला साऊथवर्डकडे म्हणजे दक्षिणेकडे न जाण्याचा सल्ला देतो, प्रवास न करण्याचा सल्ला देतो. त्याचे कारण काय? सी द आन्सर. द ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर ॲडवाइज्ड द स्ट्रेंजर not to travel southward again because he did not want to see the person whom he tried to kill in a fit of anger. He knew that the stranger wanted to kill him to complete his revenge. So he needed to make himself safe by giving such advice. तर ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर त्या स्ट्रेंजरला असा सल्ला का देतो? कारण तो जो ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर आहे, तो जो ज्योतिष आहे, त्याने स्वतःच फिट ऑफ अँगर म्हणजे रागाच्या भरात त्या रागामध्ये त्या स्ट्रेंजरला त्याने पूर्वी मारलेलं असतं आणि म्हणूनच त्याचा बदला तो घेईल यासाठी हा जो ज्योतिषी असतो त्यानं वेश परिधान केलेला असतो ज्योतिषीचा आणि तो त्याला ओळखलेला असतो त्यानं स्ट्रेंजरला त्या आणि म्हणून तो त्या स्ट्रेंजरला सल्ला देतो की तू इथून साऊथवर्डकडे जाऊ नकोस. ॲक्टिव्हिटी नंबर 4. पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्स. मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ क्वालिटीज दॅट हेल्प एनीवन टू टॅकल द सिच्युएशन्स फेस्ड बाय द ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर. सी द आन्सर. The list of qualities those help anyone to tackle the situations like that of the astrologer faced. First quality, presence of mind. Second, cool attitude. Number 3, shrewdness. Number 4, courage. And number 5, reasoning ability. Activity 5th, language study. Do as directed. It has 2 marks. First sentence, when shall I get at him? He asked, clenching his fist. Make indirect speech. See the answer. Clenching his fist, he asked him when he would get at him. डायरेक्टचं इनडायरेक्ट करायचं आहे. जेव्हा WH क्वेश्चन असतो त्यावेळेस त्या ठिकाणी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब आस्क्ड वापरायचा असतो आणि पुढे WH वर्ड. सेकंड सेंटेन्स, हिज वाईफ was waiting for him at the door and demanded an explanation. Make simple sentence. Simple sentence means only one finite verb. एकच वर्ब यामध्ये असतो. जेव्हा आपल्याला सिम्पल सेंटेन्स बनवायचे आहे त्यावेळेस त्या ठिकाणी एक वर्ब असला पाहिजे. सी द आन्सर ऑफ द सेकंड सेंटेन्स. हिज वाईफ वॉज वेटिंग फॉर हिम ॲट द डोअर टू डिमांड an explanation. Next activity, activity 6, vocabulary. Write synonyms for the following. A. Net, synonym word rub. B. Holy, sacred. C. Empty, deserted. D. Happy, gratified. Students, now we have completed. We have seen the scene extract of 12 marks of the lesson number 1.1 An Astrologer's Day. Listen the video carefully and write down the extract in your notebook. Okay, thank you.